Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today's lesson we are going to learn daily use English sentences. So first repeat after me and then practice. So चलिए start करते हैं आज का lesson. दुकानें 9 बजे खुलती हैं और 7:30 बजे बंद हो जाती हैं. The shops open at 9 o'clock and close at 7:30. The shops open at 9 o'clock and close at 7:30. वो 7:30 शुरू होता है और शाम 7 बजे खत्म करता है. He starts at 7:30 and finishes at 7 o'clock in the evening. He starts at 7:30 and finishes at 7 o'clock in the evening. क्या आपको यहाँ ठहरना पसंद नहीं? Don't you like to stay here? Don't you like to stay here? क्या नाइला तुमसे बात नहीं करती? Doesn't Naila talk to you? Doesn't Naila talk to you? क्या वो तुम्हें पसंद नहीं करती? Doesn't she like you? Doesn't she like you? उसकी नीली आंखें हैं. She has got blue eyes. She has got blue eyes. या आप यूं भी कह सकते हैं She has blue eyes. She has blue eyes. इनका कोई बच्चा नहीं है. They have not got any children. They have not got any children. तुम्हें खुद ही ये करना पड़ेगा. You will have to do it yourself. You will have to do it yourself. उन्हें ज़मीन पर सोना पड़ता है. They have to sleep on the earth. They have to sleep on the earth. मुझे हर रोज़ नहाना पड़ता है. I have to take bath daily. I have to take bath daily. मुझे उसका एक काम करना पड़ा. I had to do him a work. I had to do him a work. हमें उसका इंतज़ार करना पड़ता है. We have to wait for him. We have to wait for him. उसे कुछ नहीं करना पड़ा. She didn't have to do anything. She didn't have to do anything. उसने कभी हवाई जहाज पर सफर नहीं किया. He has never traveled by air. He has never traveled by air. आपकी शादी को कितना अरसा हो गया है? How long have you been married? How long have you been married? तकरीबन 6 साल. For about 6 years. For about 6 years. अली अब 20 साल का है. Ali is 20 years old now. Ali is 20 years old now. अगले साल वो 21 का हो जाएगा. Next year he will be 21. Next year he will be 21. कौन अभी तक नहीं पहुंचा? Who has not arrived yet? Who has not arrived yet? क्या तुमने दवाई नहीं खाई? Didn't you take medicine? Did not you take medicine? That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.